Kule vibro te hakane ka video wanta ngan solve a question paper jonga UB ka batay jonga English grammar and usage part 1. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Let's start question 1 for question 1 to 10. Select the word opposite meaning, which is opposite meaning. So accuse, it is exonerate. Affection, it is A, dislike. Brag, it is D, depressed. Perish, it is improve. Fanatical is moderate. Peculiar, it is common. Bereft. 7, it is enrich. Urban is B, rural. Vulnerable, it is D, resilient. 9 is resilient. Come number 10, sacrosanct, it is a B, secular. Annual, this is question number 11 to 20. Similar meaning, the word similar meaning. Annual, it is yearly. Bias, it is 12. Bias is prejudice. Confiscate, it is says. Exemplary, it is ideal. Devastate. 15. Devastate, it is destroy. Predicament, this is B, deadlock. Gallant, this is valiant. D, valiant. And 18. Habitual, it is regular. Illegitimate, this one is number A, illicit. Juvenile, it is young. Finish 20. Then 21 to 30. Select suitable one. No sooner did she arrive than, okay, A, they start laughing. Is it me you wish to see? I'll go with B. The wolf have always had a notorious reputation of being dash predators. I'll go with B, ruthless predators. 24, 25, 26, 24. I asked dash, but nobody had seen my wallet. I asked C around dash learning a new language next semester. They will be learning a new language next semester. 25 C. 26 dash, he was studying in this school since 2005. 27, one who tries may fail, one who does not try never succeed. 27 and come 28. These trousers are too long. The length please. Reduce the length please. Every rush driver become a dash killer, reckless killer. 10 kilometer is a long distance. Okay. Question 31 25. Substitute only one word. One who goes on foot, it is C, pedestrian. Ruled by the mob, it is mobocracy. One who can do anything from money, it is mercenary. That which is lawful, this one should be legal. One who doesn't know how to read and write, this is illiterate. Okay, 34 is D, illiterate. Then 36, 34, read each sentence whether there is any grammar mistake. You have to find a grammatical mistake. If you didn't find any mistake, then no mistake is the correct answer. For this, I'm not sure, but I'll try to solve. Okay, 36, 40. The patient lodged complaints against the doctor for his negligence. I'll go with D, no mistake. Harun's father has been ill since last year, and Arun has spent his entire saving on his treatment. I'll go with D, no mistake. The party was voted out in power after 10 years. I'll go with C. The views of the manufacturing industries is that the economy is improving. The views, okay, I'll go with A. After that, 40, this 40 is A. This also we discussed about the problem thoroughly. This A. And 41 45, one of these you have to check the wrong spelling. Wrong spelling. A price, all correct. Is good. C, a price. 42, it is benevolent. It should be benevolent. 43, all are correct. 43, all are correct. And 44, it is dominion. There's only one M. 45, all are correct. 46, John died from overwork. Insect like white ants eats in wood. You can count on me. D. And 49 and 50, this also I'm not sure. Everyone loves him. He was loved by everyone. See, I never eat meat. He explained that he never eat meat. I'll go to see, but I'm not sure more. 49 and 50. Okay, that's all. Thank you.